Have you ever pondered why a ball thrown into the air slows down at its peak? Or how economists predict the rate of change in market trends? Or even why engineers need to understand how structures react to varying forces? The answer to all these questions lies in a mathematical concept known as the derivative. So, what exactly is a derivative? In the simplest terms, a derivative measures how a function changes as its input changes. It's like a mathematical way of capturing change. It's the rate at which something changes. For instance, in physics, velocity is the derivative of distance with respect to time. It tells us how quickly an object is moving. The concept of derivatives is like a universal translator for change. It helps us to make sense of how things evolve over time or as conditions change. Now imagine a car journey. The speedometer of the car shows the speed at any given moment. This is akin to a derivative at a particular point. It gives us the rate of change at that specific moment. Now, if the speedometer were to record the speed at every moment of the journey, it would give a complete picture of the speed of the car throughout the journey. This is analogous to the derivative of a function. It gives us the rate of change at every point of the function. To compute a derivative, we use limits. The limit allows us to calculate the instantaneous rate of change, the speed at a specific moment, rather than over a period of time. So, if derivatives are all about rates of change, why are they so important? Well, understanding the rate of change helps us to predict future behavior. Economists use derivatives to predict future market trends. Engineers use them to understand how structures will react to varying forces, and physicists use them to describe the motion of objects. To sum up, the concept of derivatives helps us to understand how things change. It is a measure of how a function changes as its input changes. We compute derivatives using limits, and they are used in various fields such as physics, economics, and engineering to predict future behavior. So the next time you see a ball slowing down at the peak of its arc, or an economist predicting market trends, remember that derivatives are at work.